Physical deworming with the YUEN method. This strengthening technique is useful for adults, children, and even pets. It is necessary to deworm as our bodies host parasites that live at the expense of other living creatures and cause considerable health damage such as anemia, malnutrition, and diseases of the stomach, intestine, and colon. These parasites cause discomfort such as stomach pain, diarrhea, and intestinal bleeding. Bacteria are acquired through contaminated food and soil. The correct way to remove them from the body is deworming. That's why I recommend doing this strengthening continuously to avoid diseases. I'm Rocio Santibanez, instructor of the YUEN method, and I'll greatly appreciate it if you can support me with a like, a comment, sharing, or leaving me 5 stars. To begin with, we'll first strengthen the midline central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We're going to make it strong, we're going to integrate it in all possible combinations, and we're going to tighten and loosen it. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to increase physical potential in the midline, strength, endurance, coordination, speed, agility, and flexibility. Let's strengthen the body's cells so that this deworming is possible, invincible, and inevitable. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to eliminate the conditions in the body that favor parasite adaptability. We're going to eliminate parasites that mimic cells and tissues. We're going to eliminate cell dysfunction and disintegration caused by parasites. We're going to eliminate parasites inside the cells and between the cells. We're eliminating parasites in the tissues and between the tissues. We're eliminating parasites in the organs and between the organs. We're eliminating parasites in the systems and between the systems. We're eliminating the lack of integration of organs and systems due to parasites. We're eliminating the parasitic remains. We're eliminating parasites present from conception. We're eliminating colonies and parasitic encapsulations lodged in the different organs. We're eliminating cells with genetic mutations caused by parasites. We remove dead cells, residues of dead cells. We eliminate excess minerals and eliminate floating cells. We send all this to the body's blackened wormholes. We'll also send remains, traces, lasting impressions, and fingerprints to the lymphatic system, centers, channels, ducts, fluids, and lymph nodes. We strengthen, tighten, and relax it to work at optimum levels. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to eliminate Giardia lamblia and its cumulative effect, such as diarrhea, gas, abdominal discomfort, and pain. We eliminate the cumulative effect of nutrient malabsorption due to parasites. We eliminate the parasite's resistance to leaving your body. From 0 to infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate your and not your memories of malnutrition due to parasites in this and other lives. With all its cumulative effect, from 0 to infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to eliminate Ascaris lumbricoides, Trichuris trichiura, Necator americanus, hookworm duodenale, Entamoeba histolytica, Giardia lamblia, Strongyloides stercoralis, Cryptosporidium, Enterobius vermicularis. We also remove other worms such as amoebas, tapeworms, giardias, strongyloides, Cryptosporidius, oxyrius, and other viruses and bacteria. We eliminate experiences and their cumulative effect of having decreased appetite, general discomfort, weakness or lack of strength, acute diarrhea, significant loss of micronutrients, decreased physical activity, slow behavior, fine and gross motor problems. We also erase reductions in memory and attention span, as well as cognitive deficits. We're going to eliminate fusion of dead cells, tissues, and organs, relationship between organs and innervations of the peripheral nervous system, biochemistry, and bioresonance. Eliminate waste.
Increase nutrients. Eliminate internal, external, and intermediate influences and eliminate dead cells. We will increase hydration and oxygenation in muscles, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bones, as well as in cells and mitochondria.
From cells, we eliminate excessive calcium in each cell as well as minerals and toxins. We'll eliminate organ fusion, we'll remove stagnation and blockages that hinder hydration and oxygenation. We increase cell detoxification, we increase alkaline pH, we increase negative ions, we reduce positive ions, we increase the negative electromagnetic field, we increase the body's internal energy to at least 9 volts. We will reinforce the lymphatic system, ducts, channels, fluids, lymph nodes, and lymphatic centers. We'll remove from it stagnation and blockages and tighten and untighten it continuously for optimal performance at 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with finite time. We're going to strengthen the exit channels, palms, fingers, and spaces between the fingers of the hands, soles, toes, and spaces between the toes, armpits, bladder, sacrum, colon, coccyx, genitals, solar plexus, and jaw. We strengthen their tension and detention to gradually drain all these physical and non-physical parasites to 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the microbiota, intestines, and the central nervous system, integrating them in all their possible combinations and leveling them so they're centered, balanced, and stable. We're also going to strengthen the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. We separate the weaknesses of each of them and erase them to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them so that they're centered, balanced, and stable. We integrate them in all their possible combinations and connect them to the central nervous system back and forth, up and down up, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, backward, forward, backward, 100% with infinite potential. 100% of the time with time. Infinite, we're also going to eliminate energetic parasites, trash, and energetic larvae. We're going to remove them from above, below, right, left, inside, outside, behind, and in front of you, and send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes, and other unknown places. We're going to make you strong so that this is the same and not the same, different and not different, perception and not perception, change and not change. We're going to erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks these parasites from leaving your body. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all these geometries and of your body to 100% infinite co-potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Remember, regular deworming combined with simple hygiene measures like washing your hands after contact with animals and especially after eating will minimize the risk of infection. However, I recommend that you do this strengthening continuously. How are you feeling? The same or different?